Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video, we're going to take a look at this round bathroom robe hook and towel hook in polished chrome. And here you have some instructions how to install it. Stuff you'll need: drill, measuring tape, screwdriver, goggles, cloth. And here's the hardware. And here are the two hooks in chrome. I like the nice and shiny look of them. Some of the things that are in my washer are chrome, so this will look great. Let's install them. So I'm going to install the hook here. And I have to paint this. I just took something off from here, so it peeled off the paint. But for the purposes of this video, let's just continue. The first thing I have to do is loosen this screw with the wrench that we got and take off this plate. Once we take this plate off, we have to put it where we want it to be. And I'm using the screw, and we're gonna just slightly push it in there so we can do markings. Feel free to use a pencil or something else, but as you can see, there's two little dots. And the whole purpose is to put this plastic in here, so then we can put the screw on this side, and it makes it tighter so we can hang something a little bit heavier than just a little towel. I have a drill bit, and it's slightly smaller than the whole plastic. The purpose of that is just so I can make a small hole so I can push this in there, and it has to be tight. So let's drill a hole. And we're gonna push this in here. And if it's too tight, then feel free to make a slightly bigger hole. Okay, so it goes in. We just need to put some pressure on it. Like so. Once you have both plastics in there, you can grab the plate, have the screw, and put one, and then the next. And then with a screwdriver or a Phillips drill bit, there. Lastly, we're gonna put the hook on the plate. First, the top part, then the bottom, and using the wrench, you tighten the screw. Feel free to use this side or the other side. And that's it. Once it's where you want it to be, that's all you need to do. There. What I usually do with these tools is I'll put tape on here and put it on the cabinet in the bathroom. So if at any time I need it, I know it's in the bathroom. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you in some way, and enjoy.